Hello Southern Link, welcome to the Critical Link video series on devices. We've got the XP5s today, and we're going to be texting and sending picture messages. So if you look at the main display, this particular app right here is messaging. And so to get to it, I'm just going to do the down arrow, and I brought up the messaging app, and I'm going to go to list, and you can see the various things I can do. Well, I want to send a new message. It's already on that particular function, so I'm just going to hit OK. Now I need to find out who I want to send a message to. So I happen to have, if you notice, I'm in number mode here at the top. If I hit this arrow, I am cycling through. You can see how that works. So it depends on how you have your contacts. They may be numbers sometimes. It depends on what their aliases are. It just may be a series of alphas, lowercase or uppercase, either one would be fine. But I want to find a particular person. I'm going to look for Lonnie. Starts with an L. So 1, 2, 3. I did it real fast. I got, see why I had to do that 3 times, the J, the K, the L, and it brought up that particular person, and that's who I want to send a text to. So I highlight them because it could have been a list of a lot of L's. So that's why I need to highlight it. And I'm going to hit OK. So now I'm sending it to that person. And you'll see that I had to hit the down arrow because I could have sent it to a list of many people. So I had to get the down arrow to come into the type message area. Now this is a very important thing when you're text messaging. You want to make sure this says T9. Because if it says T9, and the way you change that is with this arrow key here for the texting, this allows you to be predictive text. So watch, I'm going to use the word test. Watch how I do that. T, E, S, T. See, I just looked at the letters and typed or pushed 1 time for the letters that were in that word, and it was predicting that word, and it may have predicted some other words, and you could use that if you wanted to. And then you hit the space key if you want to continue. Let's say you messed up and you grabbed the wrong thing or you mistyped. The C key is your backspace. So now I'm just going to use the word hello. And so we've got that. I'm going to hit the OK. The list key. Send is ready to go. You can see all the other things I could do for this particular message. And I just sent that message. All right, now we're going to send a picture message. So I'm going to go back to the messaging display. I've got a couple of messages. One's a draft that you can see right here that I was working on. Whoops, I'm going to select it. And I'm going to go to the list and see the different functions that I can do with this. I'm going to go to the one that says attach photo. I've got the gallery open now. I'm going to send the picture that I have of this pen. So I've selected it with my center key. I'm going to hit the list function again. And I'm going to say finish. It is put that particular item in the body of the message. I'm going to go back to the list. There are other things I could do, but I'm going to go to the top and say send. It has sent that to that particular person with that picture. So that's how you text and send picture messages on an XP5s. Thanks for watching.